Hello friends, we have completed the first session. Now we are going to the second session, second part. Today we are going to study how to create a drop-down list and how to use sum function, if function, round function. How can we prepare a drop-down list? Here we have to give one answer. You can create your own drop-down list as per your wish. Here I want to give an answer yes or no. EPF applicable or not? Yes or no. So how can we prepare? Click on data tab, go to data validation, click on the list, select the list, on the source type yes, comma, no. All the words should be separated by comma. That's the only matter. You can type anything, but it should be separated by comma. If it is separated by comma, it will be shown as one by one. See now, yes or no. Data tab, data validation, click on list, in source you can write yes or no what you want to get the result. Okay, this cell we can go copy to the next cells. If it is deleted, nothing will be, we can see nothing in the cell, but one box is there. Everything we can select. See, now there is no box. We have selected up to here. So I am giving the answer EPF applicable or not. Yes. Yes. Then EPF joining date. Enter the universal account number of the employee. PF universal account number. Then his number. One number will be allotted to the employee when he is joining with the EPF. Now we have to calculate the contribution amount, employee share of the EPF. The EPF will be calculated on the basic plus DA. Already we calculated the basic plus DA. Basic plus DA. On this basic plus DA, the EPF amount will be 12%. So here we have to use some function put equal to sum select basic plus DA, close the brackets, enter. Now total of the basic plus DA is calculated. On this amount we have to calculate the employee share of EPF, that is 12%. So for editing the cell you have to click on F2. Any cell you can click F2, it will be in addition mode. Here we are using F2. On this amount we have to calculate 12%. So into 12%. How it is calculated? 12%. This amount is 1394.40. Fraction will be there. Here put enter F2. In front of the sum use around. In the last put comma 0. Now fraction is rounded to 1394. If it is rounded up to 1390, we can use instead of 0 minus 1. 1390. Here the problem is, if the employee is not registered with EPF, that means given no, the amount is calculated. So if he is not registered with EPF, never calculate the amount. So we have to use another function, if function. In the if function, what will be our criteria? If this employee is not registered, that means if here is the answer is no, don't calculate the amount here. So how can we write? Enter F2. In the beginning, use if, click on this, select this cell, comma, equal to double quote, enter the value no. That means close the bracket, close the quote. If Z4 cell is no, equal to no, the result should be 0 or calculate the amount. That means if it is no, the result should be 0. If it is yes, see, select the cell Z4 equal to double quote no, result should be 0. Otherwise, else calculate 12%. Now if we selected yes, amount will be there. See. The second criteria is, suppose this column is blank, that means that person is not registered with the EPF, but unfortunately we selected yes. The amount is covered here. It will create another problem when we are filing ECR in the EPF website. This amount will be coming to our working sheet and it will be making another problem because we have deducted the EPF portion from the employee, but he is not registered with the EPF department. So if the UAN number is blank, that means he is not registered. Never calculate the amount. That also we have to write one function by using if use tab, this column, this one equal to 0, the value should be 0, comma, enter. See, even if given the answer yes, UAN column is blank, the amount is calculated is 0. If the UAN is given, amount is calculated. But here, if we select no, it is showing 0. That means, what is the meaning of 0? If we have 100 or 200 or 500 employees, to 100 employees we are saying 10 employees as 0. What is the meaning of 0? Whether it is by mistake. So instead of 0 we can give a message. That means if it is no, that employee is not registered with the EPF. So we can give the message as not registered. F2, this one, change this 0 into double quote, not registered, close the bracket, close double quote. See, it is showing not registered. If it is yes, it is calculated. If it is no, it is not calculated. So we used the if function. Now we studied how to create drop-down list, how to use sum function, how to use round function and if function also. In the next session also we are using so many other functions. Please watch on my channel. In the next session, we will continue with all other headings. Lot of headers are here. The final result will be like this. See, this is a payroll. We prepared everything. See, all the conditions are written here. Now, not registered. Yes, calculated. EPF also. Even no, not registered. Given yes, not eligible. That means it's another condition. Because if ESI eligibility is up to 21,000, salary up to 21,000. If employee salary is more than 21,000, so even if we selected yes, it is showing not eligible. And after completing this in the coming sessions, we will study step by step by using so many functions. The next functions we are using, the next session, in the coming sessions, we will study pivot table. See, this is pivot table report. See, now it is loaded. On single click, we can generate a report. And bank transfer also. See, now this column is blank. You can double click. That is updated. So it is very easy. If you are studying the Excel in a right way, you can complete the work, 1 hour work within 1 minute, 1 day work within 10 minutes. Okay. But you have to study well. It is very simple and very interesting. If you are studying it very well, it will be very interesting. And we can exactly, correctly doing everything within fraction of seconds. So in the next session, we will study other functions. Pivot table. This is pivot table report. And combo box. See, this is salary slip. When we are selecting the slip, the data will be automatically loaded. So this is salary slip. You can prepare salary slip within a second. Any number of employees. There is no limitation. How much data you are using in your database? You can use 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, lakhs and lakhs people. See. In the coming sessions, we will study everything. Here we are using VLOOKUP. So almost all the functions we are using here. And it is not a rough data, it is actual data. You can also prepare any report, any data. You can use. Study well. You watch on my channel. You will get updations in a single tip. Please watch on my channel. Please subscribe and please like my channel.